One of the worst decisions two superheroes can make is dating within their super team. Even the most celebrated relationships often result in disastrous endings, such as the union between Black Panther and Storm. Now, two more of the Earth's greatest heroes look like they are exploring the possibility of a relationship together, and they are flirting with potential disaster. Captain Marvel and Doctor Strange's new relationship has almost no chance of succeeding, both because of the two strong personalities involved and the fact that this is clearly a rebound situation for both superheroes. For the past several years, Captain Marvel had been in a serious relationship with War Machine, and the two had something good going and had been in a relationship for years. However, Carol ended up getting swept into the future, and while she was there, she had to save the world with members of the next generation of superheroes. This included a notable trio of second generation stars in Thor's daughter Brigid, Hawkeye and Black Widow's daughter Kate Barton, and War Machine's daughter Carol Rhodes. It was while in the future that Captain Marvel realized that Carol Rhodes was not her daughter. When Captain Marvel got back home, she broke up with James Rhodes. Her reason was that Carol Rhodes was a great person and a great hero, and that if she stayed with War Machine, it could keep this strong young woman from being born. However, that makes little sense because the future has a way of happening whether some wants it or not. And the fact that Rhodes' daughter was named Carol makes it seem like she was still a strong part of James' life. Despite that, Captain Marvel broke up with Rhodes and has been depressed since that relationship ended. Stephen Strange has never been the most reliable person when it comes to personal relationships, and Strange has been drinking quite a bit lately. When Strange was trying to help the Scarlet Witch with the zombies she accidentally unleashed on Janshua. Stephen is also not in the best place himself, as he was recently dating Elektra. Doctor Strange almost seems to be looking for danger in his romantic life to match his professional life. The difference between Captain Marvel and Doctor Strange are obvious. Captain Marvel was in a serious and long-term relationship with James Rhodes and broke up with him for what she believed to be greater the good. However, losing this part of her life sent her into a depression that made falling into Doctor Strange's arms a clear rebound move. Elektra was able to help Strange open up and become more comfortable and confident, and possibly even a better leader for the team. While it almost seems like Doctor Strange is the last person who needs a boost of self-confidence, he is only true confident when in his own world. A relationship with someone like Captain Marvel could be even better for him than the one with Elektra. But with the baggage Carol still has with her breakup with Rhodey, both heroes know this will most likely end up in tragedy and heartbreak. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.